diversified income streams. Can we talk about that?
Yeah, sure. So when you go into retirement, you want to build different income streams. Think about it when you had a job and then all of a sudden you took a second part-time job. Now all of a sudden you had 2 paychecks coming in. Kind of cool. When you're going into retirement, you want to understand, where is my income from? Why is it coming from here? You also want to ask how and why. This is something that I don't think enough investors are looking at. How and why, Cynthia? Eric, how am I going to provide income? How am I going to be able to pay my bills? How do I outpace inflation? We could do this all show, but we won't. Well, then let's get to the why. Why are we doing this? Why are you actually telling me I can pull income out of this? Why am I investing in this? Why does this reduce my stock market volatility? How and why, when you're creating income streams, is very important. Now, to further diversify them, maybe we want them to do different things. We want some that are going to have strong growth, some that are going to pay a dividend, some that are safe from stock market volatility. We want to be able to weather different storms. And so when we're able to get through difficult markets and we never have to turn off retirement income, that's a pretty powerful tool for an awful lot of people that are out there. So again, if you're looking for an income strategy, you are concerned about inflation, rising healthcare costs, or maybe your pension is actually going away after a little while, give us a call today. Let's get that strategy done and implemented for you.